Alright, what's up everybody? Back at it again with another adventure vlog. We're not going very far today, so it should be pretty successful. So, see when we get there. Alright, so we came, we conquered, and we got the goods from the 99 Ranch Market.
The random goods.
And yeah, so this should be interesting. What's up everybody? I'm Callie, and this is Melissa again for the fourth video. We are nervous right now because in front of us lies a very spicy, steamy situation. So we went to the store today, the
99 Ranch Market
in Chinatown,
Spring Mountain,
and we got some snacks. We don't know what it is. We got a little weird random stuff here. We're most terrified about this situation.
Dude, this fucking terrifies me.
I'm really scared for that. And we also have a variety of ramen because we're hungry. And we got some pot stickers.
All the nudes.
A whole bowl of nudes. So we're just gonna go into it, and hopefully you enjoy this mukbang. And YOLO. Okay. All right, so first thing on the list is this.
In English, it says it's preserved plum, but they're squares, so cube for you.
Oh. Smells like the seasonal aisle and, like, you know, the decorations. It's like it smells fall.
It smells
fall
like
foliage.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Oh, really hard.
I almost broke my tube. Are you sure you want to eat them?
Oh, I broke it in half. I don't think I like it.
No. How are you supposed to even eat this? You think you're supposed to put that in tea?
Are there direct? Oh, that's not good.
It's like cat food. Give me some trash can. No. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
That's not preserved fruit. That's preserved death. I need a bite of this.
So,
no, we're gonna cleanse the palate with some noodle.
oh yeah, that's some good noodles.
Well, that's spicy.
Is it?
It's good though. So I want to try this little pot sticker. What's in the pot sticker?
I think it was pork and vegetables. Oh yeah, yours is spicy.
It's good.
Hits the tongue. Not good?
I like it. Good. It's really good.
Oh wow. We did pretty damn awesome. Look at us go.
Yep. We also have this bowl of ramen that we're going to share.
We're literally the most fat asses in the world right now.
Yeah. So this one supposedly by package looked spicier than the one I got, but this compared to this, honey, you got catfished. You got noodle fished.
Oh god.
It's a weird flavor. It's just not even spicy at all. It just tastes like that oil you poured in.
It does taste like oil.
I know, that's not good.
I don't think I'm gonna be wanting to eat it.
No, that doesn't make, this one's good. It has really great flavor.
I like the spicy one.
Alright, let's try this hot flakes. So I'm assuming these are like candies, but we'll see.
We're saying that they look like those little like poppers.
Yeah, for the 4th of July.
So for it to be a food, I'm kind of scared.
Right? This is gonna pop my tongue.
We're popping our...
Yeah, they pop already.
So the ingredients are ha and sugar.
Ha! Ha! Fooled you!
Ooh. like it.
Wait, is there more than one? Is it like a little thing?
Are there pieces?
What is this? Looks like little bolognas. This looks like what they give you in church, in Catholic churches. Now that I
A little
remember.
cracker thing.
Priest goes, and then he puts it in your mouth. I've seen it in movies. I have never been. Cheers.
Cheers.
You got 2 in 1.
Oh, is it 2?
I don't taste anything. You taste anything? I can't because my mouth's so spiced out. A little.
It's just like
Nothing.
It's not as sweet as sugar though.
Mhm.
I was gonna say it kind of tastes like a sugar cube, but it's not. It kind of breaks apart like the sugar
Oh, it
cube.
almost tastes
though.
like a, not a papaya,
Oh.
but a pomegranate, or what is that? It tastes like some fruit.
I know what you're talking about. Like a,
Almost like those.
not an apricot, right? Apricot. What is that? That was funny. Why are you dying?
Oh my god. I don't know, you can say either way, I guess. Oh shoot, I say apricot, but
Somehow that you're dying is killing me.
oh, that was funny. What do you guys say? Apricot or apricot? I just laugh because my dad does it all the time. He says progress.
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 Not progress. I enjoy these though.
I do. I really like
I'm
them
oddly
too.
enjoying them. I think it's like my 3rd one right now.
Yeah, I could eat all of that.
Yeah.
Like,
All
you
right.
just open the whole thing and
Yeah.
it's just enough spice. It's not like too spicy.
Mhm.
There's some good flavor.
Oh, our drinks.
Put them in the fridge.
I knew we forgot something.
I
was
know.
like, we got more than just those.
Okay, so we totally forgot. We got other things as well. We got 2 drinks and a yogurt to try as well. It's a Poka Sapporo Hubaru fruit. Yeah.
And then we have this. There we go. A grass jelly drink,
Grass.
lychee flavored.
We were trying to figure out what the heck kind of fruit. It looks like an orange, but it's not an orange. It also looks like, what do you say, peach?
And like a peach
But-
slash apple.
Like, yeah. I don't know.
Blueberry flavored as well.
Okay.
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 I feel like you can't go that wrong with drinks. Like,
Oh, interesting. It's a pear.
oh, maybe it is pear. What the hell does pears aren't orange and circular like that though?
Wow. Hello. Chunks falling. Chunks coming in.
It's not bad though, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is like a peachy flavor though.
Yeah.
I think it is a peach, but their peaches are orange with leaves.
Yeah, that's definitely like supposed to be peach.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that. Chunks though. Chunks coming in hot. It's like, whoa. Whoa. You usually don't want floaties in your drink.
Yeah, but I think most of these do.
Yeah.
It smells like lychee.
Does it?
This is what lychee smells.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it smells like lychee.
It
so
smells like cleaner. I'm sorry. That's not bad. Kind of tastes like an incense. A smooth incense drink.
Yeah, it's a very smooth incense.
Yeah. It's as if they blended up an incense. An incense.
It's not bad though.
Yeah, that's good.
It kind of tastes like I'm drinking perfume.
Right. Okay, next on the list, you guys, pray for us. This, whatever this is.
So this was not in a refrigerated section, but it looks like meat on a stick in my opinion.
It's a meat stick.
But in English, it is a teppanyaki dried bean curd.
The word curd freaks me out. It freaks me out.
Sounds bad
A
anyway.
curd.
Okay.
Milk curds you don't want to consume. So,
But you know, people eat cheese curds.
not
That's
this
just
people.
Like, that's like a ball of cheese.
And we don't mean to offend anyone if you guys are watching this.
Yeah,
Like,
not
we're
at
not
all.
hating on the culture. We're just a little afraid
It's just
of the unknown. So,
sorry, the universe doesn't want us to eat it.
no. It smells like taco seasoning.
Why is it on a stick?
I'm really scared. Okay, you guys.
Alright. We're scaring the shit out of me.
Ooh, look at her. She's shiny.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I don't know how I feel about this right now. Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah. It's like a weird. It's spicy, but I think whatever meat this is itself is a weird flavor. It's really spicy, actually.
It's really spicy. Oh. It's like pepper. I feel like I just took a spoonful of pepper. Oh.
I nailed it. Like, whoa.
If you like eating pepper, that's the thing for you, because that just tastes like I had a spoonful of pepper.
A wet spoon. It really stuck in my throat.
Yeah, it's on my tongue. My entire tongue.
I like went to breathe and it was it's like a dragon.
Oh,
A dragon
it's
tongue.
just all over my tongue.
Oh wow. I was expecting it to be disgusting though.
Yeah,
It wasn't disgusting.
disgusting.
Look, there's a seed. It said,
Cumin, there's cumin in it.
I thought you said human. I was like, whoa. Spicy human.
I think we should have ate this.
Why? There's human.
So it goes, warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm.
Oh my
This
god.
food can give you cancer. I ain't trying to get cancer off of some meat stick taco pepper, so I'm gonna pass on that now.
Oh, okay, that was interesting.
Oh god. By the way, that warning label was probably the smallest words on there, and you
Oh,
think
yeah.
that'd be pretty big.
There we go.
There we go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's blueberry aloe vera.
It squirted on me. Ah! I wasn't ready.
Oh my god!
I can't breathe.
It's all over your shirt. Never opening towards you.
Thanks for the warning. It smells really good though. It smells like just like blueberries.
Yeah. Japanese style yogurt. Good source of protein. No artificial flavors. Grade A.
I like it.
Yeah, that's good. I'm like, I feel like I just need to drink this though. Look at you.
I can't breathe.
What's even so funny? I think the spice is getting to us.
Dude, I think that freaking jerky got to my head.
That ain't jerky, that's a curd. If we come back years from now and I get cancer, I am
sue them?
suing
No,
this.
I don't think you can because there's a warning on it.
It wasn't big enough. The next thing we're gonna have has another warning on it as well.
See, but this one's a very big warning.
Mm-hmm.
I need some noodles in my system. I can't breathe.
I got noodles stuck in my throat. Imagine if you had to eat all of those. We'd be dead. Then you would really have cancer.
This has 1,140 milligrams of sodium.
Alright, this will be the last video you see of us. Let's try the last on the list. This has the cutest package, in my opinion. It's a flower. It says,
Really? I didn't know that was a word.
It says, not a candy and not for kids.
It smells like...
Look at that long one.
That's what she said. I smell plastic. I don't know.
It smells like beer, kinda. It smells like rotten beer.
I don't know if it's that bad.
No, like, you know, like a beer, but like a... It's really sweet. Could fool me. It seems like a candy to me.
I have no idea what fruit this is though.
What if this is a worm? It's like a prune.
But they look like mangoes.
Wait. Do you taste that? There's something else. Listen to the noise that it makes when you bite it. with some ASMR.
That's a juicy one.
I don't think I like it. It's not bad, but it's...
I don't know what fruit. Do y'all know what fruit this is?
Because it looks like a mango, but...
I don't think they're bad. Like, I think I would eat it. But not out of, like, let's go to the store because I want to go buy that.
Yeah.
It's like if someone's like, hey, do you want one?
Right.
I'd eat it.
I think my favorite that we try is this drink. This is my favorite. 10 out of 10 in my opinion.
Oh, that second one wasn't good though.
Yeah.
I tried going round 2. See if it got better. No, it got better.
No.
Those are great. I'm gonna put like 2 of those in my car and just like snack on it.
What would you rate it?
Like a good 9.
Yeah.
You know, because it's like I enjoy it. So
Yeah.
like a good 9.
Yeah, that's really good. The same, about a 9.
The bean curd stick was
No.
not as...
It wasn't disgusting.
It wasn't as disgusting as I was expecting it to be.
Yeah.
But it also was not good, and I felt like I inhaled a whole thing of pepper.
Yeah, it's like you snorted it. So I would give it...
I give that thing a 3.
Yeah.
Because, you know, it wasn't like blah.
Yeah.
Like, I wasn't going to puke. But it definitely wasn't good, and I'm not trying to get cancer. So.
Yeah, no. The fall cubes...
No, that's a no-go. That's a hard no-go.
0.
I think that's the only thing we spit out,
Yeah.
surprisingly. I was expecting us to spit out
the yogurt, more like a smoothie. The melted yogurt is...
I enjoy it.
Yeah, it's good.
I'll give it an 8.
Yeah.
An 8.
An 8.
I'd give it an 8.
High 8.
The green things, however, I give a good 4, maybe a 5.
I think I'm gonna give it a 3.
All right.
Yeah. 3, and then the perfume drink, the lychee. I gotta try it again. Hold on. When you go to drink it, you don't want something. It smells like I'm taking toilet cleaner and going. I wonder what that would taste like. It tastes obviously better than toilet cleaner, but the smell of it does not make me want to drink it. It's not bad though, but
I just think it's more of an.
I'm gonna give it a 2. I'm gonna give it a 2 because I wouldn't want to drink that ever again. No shade, no tea, but just being honest here. It's not nasty, but I wouldn't recommend it.
I feel like I've had a lot better. Like lychee is one of my favorite fruits.
Right.
But this is definitely on the lower side of lychee.
And maybe if it was way colder, because it's kind of room temperature.
Yeah.
That one was on the shelf. And
I would give this like a good 7 in mine though. Because I like
What did I give it? A 2?
I think so.
I mean, okay. Okay.
In real life.
Okay, I give it a 4, I'll be honest.
Right.
I give it a 4, but I wouldn't want to drink it.
Yeah. This one,
bomb. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm going back for more.
Favorite.
Chunks are a little unexpected. Fair warning.
The unexpected thing is that the chunks are so tiny. So there's like a million tiny little chunks going in your mouth. Not just like big cubes of them. I feel like would be actually better in my opinion. But it is really good. I'd give it like a 9 to 10. I don't know if it's my favorite.
Yeah.
I'd give like a 9.
Okay.
However, we got these spicy noodles.
Yeah, this is
to share because we were like, well, they look really spicy. There's giant peppers inside of it with a ton of other crap.
The package is completely red.
Yeah, so we're like, okay, we're gonna be on fire. No, there's like,
That doesn't get a 1. That doesn't even. This is 0.
Yeah, it's just 0. It tastes like oil. Like it feels like I had a whole pot of oil and I threw the noodles in it.
Yeah.
But I enjoy our noodles.
Yeah. This one was the spicy one, very delicious. That one was it beef?
This was just original.
Oh, original.
Yeah. So it was very generic, but I do love my original generic noodles with a hint of spice, like some like hot sauce in that.
So recommend those. 10 out of 10.
Those are really good.
Yeah. And then the pot stickers, delicious.
Yeah, I really like them.
Well, better when they're warm, but but yeah. So
overall, I think we did pretty damn well.
Yeah, I was expecting to gag on one of them.
The
meat, it didn't gag because of the taste. It was, well, I mean, the spice.
Yeah, that's just the spice. But the cubes were definitely the worst.
Yeah. No, I did gag on those. Never mind. I forget all. I thought those were just a decoration. I've completely wiped that from my brain.
Sorry guys, if that's your favorite thing, tell us if we ate them wrong or if we just aren't fans.
Please tell us, how do you eat these? Because you clearly don't eat bak tien Yeah, just out of the can, you know? So leave us a comment down below if you've tried any of these.
What you think of them?
Yeah.
How you eat them if you ate them wrong?
Exactly. How you pronounce them. We are sorry to butcher the language.
This was not an offensive video whatsoever.
No.
We're just two unexperienced white girls trying some foods we didn't know.
Yeah. We have to try other cultures because white people don't have culture. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you want to see more of these mukbang
Tutorials.
food tasting, whatever, you know. So yeah. That's about it. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye.